So good morning. Today we are making our way from the Dolomites back to Rome. First we gotta take a 45-minute bus ride from here to the Whitebrook Ponte Gardena train station. And then we gotta take a 2-hour train to Verona. And then we have a 4-hour train to Rome, and it's like business class or working class or something. So I think we're gonna have like really comfortable seats. And then once we get to Rome, we gotta figure out how we do the COVID test to get back into the United States, because we head back in 2 days. Very sad to think about that, but gotta figure this out. Enjoy. I forgot to mention also that it's 40 degrees.
There's a castle over there. Pretty cool.
Well, this isn't exactly the luxurious experience I expected. We're basically in like this meeting room.
The chairs move, it sucks.
Yeah, we're like in like a conference room, basically. I thought we'd be able to have access to these leather couches, but I don't know. Hopefully one day you'll look back at this and laugh, honey.
Getting better. These, some orange juice, and water.
I got sparkling water.
I'm actually really excited for this.
I'm glad. So this is our elevator. Kind of interesting. I'm not so sure about this. Pretty sure they were just fixing this. Alright, so I just got out of the elevator. I'm gonna make my way to the Airbnb. Hello? Anybody home?
Welcome to our Airbnb in Rome. But Dave, you're gonna have to turn off the camera real quick. I got food in my teeth.
Oh no.
So welcome to our Airbnb for our final 2 nights in Rome. This is the grand piano. Dave will be playing that for me later. Maybe. Probably not. Alright, so the bathroom is right here. And it's pretty big. Has a washer. Has a shower. Bidet. Toilet. Sink. Pretty cool.
Very good.
Now, time for the main room. We have the kitchen table, the couch,
Cool.
the TV, And the bedroom. It's beautiful. Oh, I just realized we could flip the TV around and watch TV in bed.
That's awesome. Good idea. I didn't even think of that.
Pretty cool. All right, we'll do the kitchen next. So come. The kitchen is huge. We have a lot of counter space, a full fridge, oven, stove, sink, pots and pans, not up there. But we have even a dishwasher.
That's a first.
And a microwave. We haven't had a stove and a microwave in the same place yet, so I'm pumped.
Oh, that's great.
To warm up our food. All right. Now we will show you the balcony. Oh, and even a soccer ball. It's huge. We have a bench. Lots of plants.
Oh, there's that soccer ball you were talking about.
Yeah.
I was a little bit confused. Tons of plants. And this thing's really long.
It's really long.
Great view from our balcony as well.
Yeah,
Shoot.
this is awesome.
This is awesome.
I think this might be my favorite one of the whole trip, to be honest. It's beautiful. I love it.
You know, I kind of suspected that might be a possibility when I booked the place.
So, if we don't pass our COVID test, we might just stay in this Airbnb for a while.
Yep.
Just kidding.
All right, well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks, Rachie, for giving it.
You're welcome.
We're eating some pizza.
That we got next door. It's really good.
As we were entering our hotel, a guy said that that's the best pizza place in town. So
I believe
if that's true, it's very fortunate for us.
So this one's like a little bit spicy. It has like onions.
Yeah.
And then I didn't try the other one.
Is it eggplant, mozzarella, something else, tomatoes?
I didn't try it yet, but it looks really good.
Yeah, I'm excited. All right, so now we are gonna go try and get a COVID test because you have to have a COVID test within 3 days of returning to the United States per the CDC. So we were gonna get tested at the airport, but I asked the front desk of our hotel where I could where he'd recommend getting tested, and he suggested a pharmacy not too far away. So we're gonna go check that out. All right, so we got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is that we tested negative for COVID and we can come home. Bad news is that tomorrow's the last day we get to explore Italy.
Yeah, pretty sad. But overall, our testing experience was so much fun. So they had us like come in this little tent, and the lady, she was like talking up a storm. Had no idea what she was talking about, but she was so funny and just really, really funny lady. And she was like, okay, head back. And then she was like, eyes open. And she was like, I don't know.
It seemed like you'd do anything and she'd be like, no.
No. Anyways, we had to keep our eyes open and put our head like way back.
Yeah.
And
I will say, I'm a nurse if you guys don't know, and I've given plenty of COVID tests, and it was way more unpleasant than I thought it would be. I kind of feel bad for my patients.
but overall, good times. And then we waited like 20 minutes and they gave us some results. So,
Yeah, we didn't have to wait in line or anything.
No.
It was like we got there, we got tested immediately.
yeah, it was great.
So, well, anyway, we're done for the day. Since we already did a video for Rome, we're actually going to take the day off tomorrow and just enjoy our last day in Italy together without any video footage.
But are we filming our return trip?
Yes, we are.
So stay tuned for our flight back to the US, or 2 flights. It's gonna be exciting.
See you then.